My name is Josephine Chase. I am a parent at Gulfside Elementary School, and I have created this flyer for Field Day. This video is to show why my flyer is the best choice to strategically reach our parents and families for the children to get them involved to attend Field Day. In Florida, the strategic use of color and its effects on viewers are simple. According to Naomi Chibana from the article Color Theory for Presentations, red is used to illustrate energy. This is effective in reaching parents and families because energy is needed to encourage the children on Field Day. I chose the color blue because according to Naomi Chibana in the same article, the color blue represents confidence and integrity, something that is important for children to have. This will reach our target audience of parents and families by setting the correct mood. I chose to use the color yellow as a sense of intellect. According to Naomi Chibana, yellow is necessary in using visual aids involving children, especially involving academic or abstract matters. Finally, I chose the color orange because it suggests optimism, which Naomi Chibana suggests is essential for children and families to be optimistic when dealing with academics. In the state of Florida, the strategic use of lines and its effects on viewers. It is mentioned in How to Use Eye Lines to Influence Viewers, 2018 by Josh, no last name, that using grouped lines, such as tables, bring focus to something important. The effects on the viewers by bringing focus to the date and times of the event, because this is the most important information. In the state of Florida, the strategic use of balance is essential according to the article 4 Types of Balance in Art and Design Using Symmetrical Balance. To create a mirror image is perfect. It feels formal and elegant. I use symmetrical balance on the X and Y axes by using unity, order, and equilibrium. This will appear to our target audience by illustrating visual weight on the Field Day flyer. In the state of Florida, the strategic use of contrast is to grab attention. According to the principles of design, you use contrast to make an impact. This flyer will appeal to our target audience regarding contrast because I used a bold, colorful banner to grab attention, as well as a colorful circle of children to illustrate togetherness and happiness. Finally, after reviewing the importance of these visual elements, it is significant that all aspects are touched base on in order to bring out every single element of a design and gives a professional, unified look.